I'm back with another video. This video is a wig review over the hair that I have in right now. So if you want to see the details on this hair, just keep on watching. I gotta make sure I don't have no lipstick on my teeth. I'm always having lipstick on my teeth. Okay, so first I'm going to show the unboxing and the installing of this wig, and I'll be back. The company Armmu was nice enough to send me this synthetic body wave lace front wig. They sell their wigs on Amazon. This wig right here is $34. Let me click on additional pictures of it. It is heat resistant. It's 100% Japanese Kakeline high fiber hair. It is also soft lace and glueless. So when you purchase the hair, it comes in a clear bag with the name of the company on the front. It also comes with a weaving cap and a pamphlet that shows extra wigs that the company sells and some additional directions on how to maintain your wig. So here is the wig fresh out of the pack. Here is me removing the insert and just showing you the wig. So moving on to styling the wig, I didn't do too much to this wig at all. It didn't take a lot to make it look natural. Here I'm taking some powder foundation and I'm just simply putting it in the parts. And this hair didn't come with baby hairs, so I'm just going to cut just a little bit of baby hairs, and that is it. I'm just going to swoop that around with some Got2b gel. And literally that's all I did for baby hairs. And I decided it would look better with some layers, so I'm cutting some layers into it. Yes, I'm using the wrong scissors, but those scissors are the only ones I had available, and I'm not good at cutting layers, so I was doing the best I could. So yeah. So then I noticed that the part at the top was looking kind of sticking up, so I sprayed some water. That is just a spray bottle to make it lay flatter. And pretty much that is it. That is all I did to style this hair. I love this synthetic wig. Well, first off, I love synthetic wigs because they are cheap and they are a quick, easy fix, especially if you know how to hook them up to make them look natural. Like, you can't beat the price for those to look cute at work for so many days if you take care of the wig. Like, when you take it off, if you store it right, you can get a lot of wears out of these wigs versus buying the expensive human lace wigs. So I really like the quality of this wig because you could run your fingers through it and not get caught as it does in most synthetic wigs. And the hair is really soft. So in the video you seen, it was really easy to install. It doesn't feel tight on my head at all. And I never do use the combs, and I do not use the tightening band. I don't use that. Like, I just be out in the world just unprotected, hoping nobody's gonna pull my wig off, but the environment I work in, that won't happen. So what else can I say about this hair? It was really easy to style. I didn't do much, just baby hairs, and I cut layers into it. I really like the density on this wig. Is not too much and it's not too little. whereas it looks really stringy, and it's not too much where it looks so thick that it actually looks fake, like a synthetic wig. I don't know what else to say. I just think that these synthetic wigs from Amazon are such a good deal. And if you're not good with styling your synthetic wigs, you can always look for YouTube videos to help you make it look a little bit more natural. It doesn't take much to make it look better than what it comes out of the box as, and I'm sure anybody could do this. So if I forgot anything, if there's any questions, just leave them below and I will respond. Until next time, I want to thank you guys for watching. I say